know you're feeding on me. Okay, follow me.
Wait,
Spider, I'll use my magical skills.
guys, we should just go mining.
No, we'll find hide and seek first.
No, because I don't even know where you guys are. How am I supposed to find you guys?
Okay, we're in the mine, okay?
But I don't know where that is.
Honey, what did you do?
Wait, let me get a diamond sword.
No, that's cheating.
No, let me at least get an iron.
Shh.
Honey, you can't even cheat.
No, because what if they
I'm
kill
gonna
me?
ban you.
What if they kill me?
Then just TP back to me. I'm sorry, I never wanted to do this, but I'm gonna have to kick you. Once I figure out how to.
Why are you actually gonna kick me?
Because you cheated.
Dude, I'm gonna get rid of it. It's an iron sword.
You still cheated. The rule in Death Cloud is no cheat. I don't care, I can just teleport back to you.
You can, I already killed myself.
Okay.
What? Matthew!
What?
That wasn't me. I just stepped on the pressure plate.
I'm gonna pick Matthew, but Dina will pick you.
It's just funny because I actually didn't expect you guys to go in the house.
Well, I spawned in there. Whoa. Wait a minute. I lost all my diamond stuff.
It's okay. It's not your fault.
Type in sand. I'm going to make a sand.
It's not your fault, Dean. My actual plan was to show you guys and say, look, I'm gonna blow it up. But I actually wasn't, and then Dean stepped on it. Even though
By accident.
I know.
It's not your fault, Dina, it's Matthew's.
Stop looking at me like this.
Cause I'm a crazy squirrel.
You will never find me. No one will ever find me in hide and seek.
Dean, do you see me?
No, I can't see.
I've worked so hard for this.
You know what? Fuck this.
How did you blow up?
Creeper.
Why? Time to get a iron pickaxe. Power gamma. We got a
Oh
cobra.
my god! Matthew! Dean, you have no idea how bad he's ruining my world. My house!
Whoa.
Matthew, leave.
The house was Dean. And me. But the
No, it
cobblestone was
wasn't.
me.
No, it wasn't Dean. Me and Dean weren't doing anything.
Who stepped on it?
Dean didn't even know. You were the one who tricked him.
I thought.
Yeah, Dean, I definitely tricked you. I told you to kill yourself and go inside the house and step on the pressure plate.
No, just Dean killed himself and then
You make perfect sense, Giovanni. I definitely tricked him.
Well, all I did is I thought those were trying to go out faster instead of holding it, so I just went on the pressure plates, and then I heard.
Then you heard Stewie fart.
No, then I heard you pee.
Tebow took a poop in the house. Don't be sad. Be glad. Tebow took his first poop.
or something else.
Ah!
Oh no, Jimmy! Son, a retard bitch blew up our house. I know it's it.
Ah!
I'm playing Frostcast.
Sweetie, my computer is lagging.
21?
Sweetie, look at this shit. Sweetie, what's happening?
It's sick.
I'm sorry.
That I blew it up, Giovanni.
It was my house! You
But
retard.
still, it wasn't even legit.
Yes, it was.
Oh, really?
I got all of that wood.
It's-
I made glass pane.
It's funny because you said that you made the glass pane, but the day after you forget.
Yeah, because I forget things. I'm stupid.
I remember. I'm not saying you're stupid, Giovanni, but a long time ago, I knew how to make glass pane. I still do now. It's weird. I thought I would.
Well, I just have bad memory, and Matthew's making fun of that.
Did I ever make fun of it? No.
Yes, you actually did.
What did I say?
You just like you said that you made glass pane and then you forgot the next day.
Yeah, that's because I'm trying to prove a point that you're lying. I never was making fun of you, even if that is
I
true.
never did lie. I actually did make.
Says
I'm
the
not
guy.
changing anymore inside, but now you know how I feel, Giovanni, when you guys be mean to me.
Yeah,
Now I
and
know
now you know how I feel when you guys always double team.
Now I know how you feel, Dean, and Matthew always bugs the crap out of you.
Actually, you and Dean don't even really fight unless you're here. Sadly, it's true, and Dean knows that.
That's because you start being mean to me and Dean.
No, I'm not being mean to Dean.
That's because you start being a penis. No one bees a penis in my life. Time to go in my clubhouse.
I saw the first day I saw Matthew. I thought you were. Oh, I thought you were a trick or treat. You were just a blackout.
Finally, my stripper.
What the fuck?
Finally, my stripper place.
Oh,
No one
it's
can
so
ever.
beautiful.
Finally, no one can disturb it.
Dean, make that landlord or I'll join.
No, wait, hold on, wait.